Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a virtual assistant powered by AI, that is artificial intelligence, and developed by Google and primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. Unlike Google Now, the Google Assistant can engage in two-way conversation. Google Assistant can work in your mobile phone and in your smart watches and in your Google smart home devices. You can find information and get things done with the help of Google Assistant. Ask it questions and tell it to do things. Now, language you can use in Google Assistant. On Android phones and tablets, Google Assistant is available in English, French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and Spanish and Thai. These languages are available on Google Assistant, and the more languages are coming soon. Now, what you need for installing or using Google Assistant on your Android device? The first thing is your Android device should be higher than 6.0. That is, your Android device should be Marshmallow and higher. Second thing is your Google app version should be 6.13 and higher than it. And your device should have Google Play services. 1.4 GB is the requirement for Google Assistant, and the screen resolution should be 720 pixels. Your device language should be same as that of Google app. Now check if your device has what it needs, then Google Assistant can work on your phone. First of all, check your Android version. After that, check your Google app version. After that, check you have Google Play services. If these all things are available on your phone, then Google Assistant can work in your phone. Otherwise, it doesn't work. If your phone supports Lollipop, Android KitKat, or lesser than it, then Android Assistant can't work in your phone. So you can quit this video, or you can see full video for your knowledge. The Google Assistant can work on Marshmallow and higher Android version. Now, how to turn on Google Assistant? In Android devices like your phone or tablet, go to Google app. On the home screen, tap menu, that is 3 lines. After that, click on setting. In setting, under the Google Assistant, tap setting and turn on. After that, you can use Google Assistant in your Android phone. Now, start a conversation with Google Assistant. In your Android phone or tablet, hold the home button or say, "Okay Google." Then you can ask a question from Google Assistant or say a command for Google Assistant.